Hey everybody, it's Chelsea here with the Women's Fishing Network, brought to you by Goes to 11 Media. As you guys can see, I am not out doing what my pillow behind me says. I am not gone fishing. Life has been a little bit of a struggle lately and just super busy. The weather's been insane, so unfortunately I have not been fishing for a couple weeks, so I'm very sorry about that. I do plan on going this weekend, so next week I will have some ice fishing content for you, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for your patience with me. I really appreciate it. So I thought maybe today I would open up some mail I got. It's always exciting getting mail. It's such a thrilling feeling. So this is from Anadromous Fly Company. So as many of you know, it's on my fishing bucket list to start and try out fly fishing. So that's what I'll be doing this summer. I also am very interested in fly tying. It seems like it's so fun and you can be so creative. So I've been talking to Herb at Anadromous Fly Company, and he said he was going to hook me up with some fly tying tools and help me along my journey of fly fishing and fly tying. So let's check out what he sent me. So first we got this little cool kit of tools. Look, it's even beautiful rainbow colors. Now, I wish I could tell you what the name of all these tools are, but I have not a clue what any of this is. I couldn't even tell you what they're for. So I'm very excited to learn all about these tools and have you be a part of my journey. What else do we got in here? Ooh, nice sticker. That's awesome. For my tackle box. Another tool. Micro spring hemostat. That's what it says. And this here, oh, pink. As you guys know, pink is my favorite color. Then I got a cool little keychain here. That is so awesome. So I am so excited. I have some space made at one of my desks because my friend Amber has offered to give me her first vise, which is a part of the fly tying kind of kit stuff. So I'm very excited to get that from her and set up my little station and have you guys be a part of this new little journey slash hobby with me. So thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. Thanks for having patience with me not getting any good fishing content out lately. I promise I'm going to be getting you some good stuff coming your way very soon. I got some really cool fishing trips planned in the next couple weeks, and I think the weather's going to be a lot better, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to check out all this awesome gear on our store, fishingandoutdoors.ca, or if you're not in Canada, fishingandoutdoors.net. Also, since I haven't been releasing any new videos, you can go find all my old videos on our website, along with our blog, the other hosts' videos, the e-zine, lots of cool stuff. So womensfishingnetwork.com, be sure to check it out. Thank you so much to all our sponsors, especially Anadromous Fly Company today. I am super excited to put these tools to use. So thank you to Rick, and we will see you guys next week.